Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have new numbers for Windows 11. We were wondering where Windows 11 was, and at the same time taking a look at the other versions of Windows 10. So Windows 11 has doubled its market share since the last numbers we had in late November, early December. We're at 16.1% of Windows 11 PCs now. So this is an interesting progression and shows that Windows 11 is indeed getting more and more users at a fast pace, actually. So Windows 11 16.1% means that if you would take the number and kind of divide it with what Microsoft has said about 1.4 billion active PCs or devices on Windows, you have more than 200 million Windows 11 machines already out there, which is quite interesting and shows that the adoption rate is pretty good. We also have a confirmation of another thing here. Windows 11 that is in this statistic apparently is on supported hardware. So that means in there they're not counting the unsupported machines that actually have updated to Windows 11. So that also shows that it's a pretty good number, since there's a lot of people now moving on to Windows 11 from here. Now, some of them, and I wonder how many, are probably in those new PCs that were sold last year, because at 340 million PCs sold, there were Windows 11 machines in here. That is for sure. Windows 10 now has 12% of people on 21H2. So that is interesting to see that there's a progression there. 20H2 and 21H1 are the two major, more important versions of Windows 10 right now. Honestly, these people should move to 21H2, which would, be great. I think is, simple update and really no problem there. So 28.6% on 21H1 and 26.3% on 20H2. Almost equal number of people here, but that represents 55% of Windows 10 users are on one of those two versions. So very interesting to see that Windows 11's progression is actually quite impressive, and hope that it's going to be interesting to see what happens this year and how many people are going to be on Windows 11 at the end of this year. Definitely a very, very interesting number here to see that we've doubled. I was not expecting a double. I was expecting maybe 10 or 11%, but not 16. So that's the numbers for this end of January 2022. The first numbers we have for this year about the market share of Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.